If you thought the iPad mini was dead, or just an afterthought for Apple, you are entirely wrong. In fact, what is happening deep inside Apple's supply chain right now suggests something massive is coming. We are talking about the iPad mini 8, and the leaks surrounding this device are not just exciting. They're completely redefining what a small tablet can actually do. For years, the iPad mini has been the incredibly loyal, slightly neglected middle child of the iPad lineup. It was the device people bought because they loved the size, but they always had a compromise on features. You want a promotion? You had to buy the big, heavy iPad Pro. You want an OLED screen? Again, you had to empty your wallet for the Pro models. But the iPad mini 8 is about to break every single rule Apple has established over the last decade. Leakers with proven track records are sounding the alarm, and the details coming out of premium tech circles in the US and Europe indicate that the iPad mini 8 is not just a spec bump. It is a complete overhaul, a device so powerful and perfectly designed that it might actually cannibalize sales from the iPhone Pro Max and the larger iPads. This is the device you have been waiting for, and by the end of this, you will understand exactly why you need to hold off on buying any other tablet right now. Let's dive into the absolute madness that is the upcoming iPad mini 8, starting with the one thing that has plagued the mini lineup for years: the display. For the longest time, the iPad mini has been cursed with a good, but not great LCD screen. We all remember the notorious jelly scrolling issue that plagued previous generations. It was the one fatal flaw in an otherwise perfect reading and gaming device. Apple tried to mitigate it, but the fundamental limitations of standard 60Hz LCD panels on a small, highly portable device always held it back. The iPad mini 8 is finally putting an end to this nightmare. According to the latest supply chain leaks out of Samsung Display and LG Display, Apple is officially moving the iPad mini 8 to an OLED panel. Yes, you heard that right. True, pure blacks, infinite contrast ratios, and colors so vibrant they will make your iPhone look dull. But it is not just any OLED. Apple is reportedly testing a single-stack OLED panel specifically optimized for battery efficiency in a smaller chassis. This means when you are watching HDR movies on a flight or playing heavily saturated games like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Warzone Mobile, the visual fidelity will be jaw-dropping. But the OLED upgrade is only half of the display story. The biggest, most heavily guarded secret that leakers have just cracked wide open is the refresh rate. Apple is finally bringing promotion 120Hz to the iPad mini 8. For years, Apple gatekept 120Hz, keeping it exclusive to the Pro models to justify their astronomical price tags. However, with the baseline smartphone market entirely moving to 90Hz and 120Hz, Apple can no longer release a premium tablet with a 60Hz display. The integration of promotion on the iPad mini 8's OLED screen will make every swipe, every scroll, and every Apple Pencil stroke feel instantaneously responsive. Imagine reading digital comics, scrolling through intense web research, or editing high-resolution photos on a device that fits in one hand, with zero lag and absolute fluid motion. This display alone is going to make the iPad mini 8 the most desirable. Let's talk about the absolute monster hiding under the hood. The processor strategy for the iPad mini has always been a bit chaotic. Sometimes it gets the latest A-series chip, sometimes it gets a slightly downgraded bin from the previous year. But the iPad mini 8 is launching in an entirely new era, the era of Apple Intelligence. Because of the heavy localized processing required for advanced AI tasks, Apple cannot afford to put a weak or older chip in this device. The leaks are pointing toward a heavily modified, thermally unlocked version of the A18 Pro, or quite possibly an aggressive jump straight to an M-series chip, specifically an M3 or an underclocked M4. Why would Apple put a Mac-level chip in a tiny tablet? It all comes down to thermal constraints and AI compute power. The iPad mini 8 is being positioned as the ultimate ultra-portable AI companion, with an integrated neural engine capable of over 35 trillion operations per second. This iPad will process complex on-device machine learning tasks instantly. We are talking about real-time voice translation without an internet connection, instant contextual photo generation, and an incredibly advanced Siri that can actually see what is on your screen and interact with third-party apps flawlessly. The power efficiency of a new 3-nanometer architecture means that even with this desktop-level power, the battery life is not going to suffer. In fact, insiders claim that Apple has redesigned the internal logic board specifically to spread heat evenly across the entire back panel. This means when you are rendering a 4K video in LumaFusion or running a massive AAA console game like Resident Evil Village or Death Stranding, the iPad Mini 8 will not throttle like your iPhone does. It will sustain peak performance for hours. It is essentially a Nintendo Switch Pro built by Apple, but infinitely more versatile. Now, let's look at the design and hardware features because Apple is changing the physical geometry of the device. The flat edges and USB-C port remain, but the bezels are shrinking. By moving to OLED and advanced display driver integration, Apple has managed to shave down the bezels by nearly 20%. This allows for a slightly larger usable screen area without increasing the actual physical footprint of the device. It will still fit perfectly in one hand, but it will feel like an absolute edge-to-edge piece of glass. Furthermore, there are massive rumors about the camera module. While the Mini is not meant to be your primary camera, Apple is upgrading the rear sensor to a new 48-megapixel lens, completely eliminating the need to ever pull out your phone to scan documents or capture high-quality reference photos. The front-facing camera is also getting a massive overhaul, moving to a landscape orientation. This has been a huge request from users. When you prop the iPad Mini up to take a FaceTime call or a Zoom meeting, you will no longer look like you're staring off to the side. You will be perfectly centered, and with center stage technology powered by the new AI chip, the camera will aggressively track your movements with zero blur. But perhaps the most exciting hardware addition is the heavily rumored inclusion of MagSafe, not just for charging, but for an entirely new ecosystem of Snap-on accessories. Imagine magnetically attaching a high-fidelity external battery pack, or a dedicated gaming controller grip, or even a specialized MagSafe cooling fan for extreme gaming sessions. This fundamentally transforms the iPad Mini 8 from a simple tablet into a modular computing hub.